Hi, I just wanted to give a quick little announcement, kind of clarification for how things will be going for our labs that will be taking place outside, just to make sure that everyone's on the same page. So, if you can, please try to make sure to check on Classroom. Usually, I will post the night before if we are planning on having a lab day outside, basically based on the weather. That can always change, of course, if things end up getting either too hot or if rain ends up cutting into our time. We'll try to cut those things short. I don't want folks to work in weather basically over like 77 degrees Fahrenheit or in something too rainy, too snowy, anything like that. But otherwise, if we do have a day with good weather and we're scheduled to go outside, please expect that we will be out in the garden. Just some expectations for that. Our school will provide anything that you need in terms of gardening gloves and tools that you'll need to use, so don't worry about bringing anything like that. However, you will want to wear clothing that you feel comfortable in outside. So if it's a little bit too hot, you might want to make sure that you can feel comfortable in that. If it's a little bit on the colder side, you might want to bring like an extra jacket or something. If you need to bring a change of clothing or a change of shoes, because there is a good chance that we'll get dirty working out in the garden, you can always store those in our classroom, or you can bring them in a spare bag, store them in a locker, whatever works easiest for you. So please let me know if you need me to help you coordinate anything like that. But I'm hoping to see all of you soon. We should be doing a day outside here pretty soon, so just wanted to make sure that everyone understood the expectations for that. Thank you.